Hey guys, what's going on? Package. This is from Dozeir Studios. It's also the last Energem package that I'll be getting. So I did get one more because I needed to replace some things, and you get a few other ones. But in communications with him, he did say that there was something special in here. Let's go check it out. And I still haven't found my box cutter, so I'm using these small little, like, scissors. I've been for the last year. Okay, there's a little. There we go. Here we go. Okay. It's paper with the box. Oh, it looks like it's taking a lot of damage. Looks like they had to repackage it. I know it was sent back to send, but look at that. Like, did someone try to stab it there? Okay. Okay. There we go. I was trying to cut nothing. We have our friendly neighborhood packing peanuts. Whoa. What's the heck? Oh, I'm chopping everything. What the heck? Anything in there? Do not eat these. They're not popcorn. I'll get that other one later. Something else in here, right? So we have two of these. One of these. Oh, that's good. And a piece of fruit. We'll put the piece of fruit there. The largest energy motor I got was from December. It was the Christmas one. That was huge. Okay, so this one is graphite. I have other graphite, which I'll go get now. Well, I took half my Energems to film. Okay, I have the rest of the Energems here. Let's take out the little things here. We have that. That there. We have or friendly neighborhood plastic icons, which are in this little box, which I love to death. So I'm thinking of getting like a shelf over here, just having them go like that. Getting them like foamed into a picture frame. Like these and the Talon. Of course, the Talon one isn't part of the what's it called? The plastic ink. It's part of Dozeir's. And a lot of people have asked me why I have like two sets. Well, I got all plastic inks right here, so I could frame it and then hang it on the wall. And I got Dozeir's to film. So yeah. Let's open the graphite. I feel like this graphite is a bit more so accurate than the plastic ink one actually. A lot of close-ups as usual, but you can see there's like the little pegs. This is plastic inks and this is this new one. Then we have Dozeir's old one next to Dozeir's new one. I prefer this one, although this one's still cool. I could probably do some cool where it's like he starts out with this and then like his Energem gets zapped and it loses like its power, and then it's just like this. This is what I imagine a Energem without power looks like, just grey and dull. And for those who are wondering, if you don't follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of Energem pictures there, I put them in this little trunk. Okay. Next we have another Talon that I'll be using to frame, instead of the one that's like all like has a few scratches on it from what's it called, filming. Oh, I never showed you the clip. I believe these are new like things. They look like the old ones, not the first wave ones where it's the most accurate. Just these so they could. Oh yeah, they're like this little peg. It goes like this. That's way easier to do. And oh yeah, the inside is painted. That's cool. This is the new one. This is the old one, and you could tell the clips are different. You have a pegging clip, and then you have a like tricky thing to do with the old ones. I think I'll be using this for the Energem videos from now on, for like filming. I almost dropped it. Like usual, like these are just like 10 minutes long because I talk a lot. In this case, I got up to find the other Energems, but I'm probably most likely going to just cut to me opening it and stuff like that. So this is the Talon one. It's of course gold. Then you have beautiful Talon. The beautiful Talon will be going in the picture frame. Just clips in and that's what it looks like. Let me clip in. Nope. Just that. Now we're gonna put that there. Put that there. Now we have this thing. It's a box. So what I asked if they could do is make like a custom one. For me. And I give them like the descriptions. What? Look at that. It looks like rocks and it says it's a band that pound to stand charge. Oh, it's a sticker. That's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna cherish this forever. I need to take a picture of this. Take a picture of you guys too. You're going on Instagram now. No, let's just take a picture. I could do this later, but I'm doing this now. There we go. Let's get this plastic out of here before we open the other one. This is so cool. I don't want to lose this box. Oh, it's stuck. That's cool. There's the little thing. This is so cool. I need a... It's so dark, I need a flashlight. Okay, let's get rid of all these notifications so my phone can actually work. Wow. Look at that. So cool. Look at that, I'm trying to get it in front of the light. Ah, that's so cool. I love it. Ah, it looks so evil and dark and awesome. Ah, this is the custom one. Oh, let's see. Let's see. No. Okay. That's cool. You have to see like the inside of this box. It's all like padded. Look at that. It's so cool. That's cool. What's my phone right next to me? Get that out of the way. That's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, I love this. It's so dark and evil looking. It's awesome. BlackBlade Energem. Ready. So this is actually the BlackBlade Energem. That's so cool. That's cool. I love this. Don't think I'll ever film with it though. Maybe I will. I don't want to damage it. I want it to be in the box and be cool and awesome and precious. It's awesome. It's awesome. I think it could have been lighter, but I'll show you the red one. This is like a lighter red. This is like a wine color. It's amazing though. And then you have black dark energem around it. So cool. It's a red, basically a red dark energem. I love it. I love it. Look at that. That's so cool. I'm in love now. This is awesome. Thank you, Dozeir. I appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys are new, check out the other BlackBlade channels. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.